Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Xuv500 infotainment model and firmware ID so you download the correct package. Once done, back up Bluetooth and radio presets, then format a USB drive as FAT32 and copy the firmware file to the root. Make sure ignition is in ACC or engine running to maintain 12V stability. This prevents bricking. Next, insert the USB into the front port and stay with the vehicle. You will start the update immediately. You now navigate Settings to System, then choose Software Update and pick the USB source so the unit reads the firmware file. Once you tap Install, follow on-screen prompts. The device will verify the package, show a progress bar, and may reboot multiple times. During this middle phase, do not remove the USB or interrupt power. Any cut will corrupt the flash. If prompted, confirm you want to keep user data. Otherwise, a clean install will factory reset some settings. You finish by letting the head unit complete its final reboot. Wait until you see Update complete and the system returns to the home screen. Then go to System Info to verify the new firmware version, test Bluetooth, radio presets, and camera view to confirm functionality. If something behaves oddly, make sure to power cycle, then retry the update or run a factory reset to clear conflicts. Key troubleshooting tip: if the update fails repeatedly, try a different USB stick formatted FAT32 and the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.